What's the meaning of circuitously? Circuitously. Circuitously.
Circuitously. Circuitously. Circuitously means to take a roundabout or indirect route or path to get to a destination or achieve a goal. It implies a departure from the most straightforward and efficient method. For example, if someone is trying to get to a destination but takes a long and winding road instead of a direct highway, they are taking a circuitous route. In essence, circuitously means that the journey taken is longer, more complicated, and less efficient than it needs to be.